This is Algebra, section 9.1, Secret Codes. So this starts with an investigation, and what it does is it gives you original input, that's just the letters of our standard alphabet, and then a code below that. So like if I wanted to code the letter A, I would replace it with a Q. If I wanted to code the letter B, I would replace it with an R, and so on. And that corresponds to this table right here, which shows the same thing. If I wanted to code the letter A, I would use a Q, and then to code the letter B, I would use an R. So right here, I have a code, meaning that they took the standard English words and they put it into this and came out with a code. So to come out with the letter C, that means I originally put in an M. So using the table, I find my coded letter and find the original, and then using the graph, I would do the same thing. Find the coded letter, C, and then see what that was originally, and it was an M. So, the letter C code was an M, and then we have Q, so I'm going to go to my Q, and that was an A. And the J, I'm going to find the J, and that was a T. And then the X was an H. So I did each of those using the table. I'm going to do the next word using the graph. So the H right here comes out to an R. And then we have an E, and that's an O, and an S, and that is a C. And maybe you can even see what the code is already. And finally the I is an S. So I used my tools to decode a message. I can use the tools to also code a message. So if I want to code the letter C, I would go to my original input as C, and that becomes an S. The O, original, becomes an E. And then the L is a B. And I have an S. A C, an H, I guess I have OOL again, so now it's going to be EEB again. So this is a way to kind of take a message that you don't want anyone else to see, translate it, and then using these tools you can translate it back to English. This number 3 here, I'd like you to do that on your own. Pick any 2 words that you would like to code and find those letters on the top and translate them to the bottom, or conversely you can find those letters on the original input and then find the coded letter.